Get ready with me to go to a concert. The theme is pink today. Primer. This is just gonna help your makeup last all through the night. And I did put tape here so I could get a nice sharp edge. We're pulling out LA Girl Pro eyeshadow palette. I'm thinking about using this brown for the transition color. LA Girl palette, I'm thinking about using this little pink right here. It is so beautiful. Actually, I'm going to the Nicki Minaj concert, so I'm so excited. We're done with the eyes. One size primer today, that's what we're using. And I actually never been to a concert before. Got milk setting spray just to lock that primer in. And we are color correcting now. I love to color correct because I feel like it makes my makeup look better. And I'm gonna do this one to cover up that scar. I'm gonna lock everything in with Banana, the Fenty powder. I know I'm gonna be like dancing and sweating. Putting it in my T-zone because that's where I get oily the most. Mario foundation today. I do not want this in my hair. A smaller brush around the hairline. Putting on some lip plumper. Prep her lips for lipstick. Get some concealer. I need the inner corner to be brighter, so I'm using e.l.f. Kylie concealer brush, and let's get to blending. Lately I've been using brush to blend out my concealer, and it's been really good. Setting with Kylie. It's under here. Forehead. Jaw. Let's work on the under eye. I like this brush because it's sharp. It's like a triangle. So you could get right here. Very good. Okay, and I'm gonna mix the two. You want to set this right away. So after I blend, I'm gonna set, then move on to the other eye. The P. Louise blush. Let's put a little here. That's like maybe 3. I'm also gonna use a pink for another set of blush too. So you're just gonna blend that in. We want a high cheekbone tonight. I'm using my pink powder to set the under eye. This is the blush I use, and that's how we're looking. I'm gonna set everything. Let's put on House Lab. It's like crazy looking. Let's finish the under eye. We're putting that same color in the inner eye just to make it look nice. And the rest of the face with Laura Mercier. Fenty liquid highlighter.